Hey guys, if you don't know me, my name is Jessica Starks, and I'm the owner and founder of Scribes, which is a creative media agency that specializes in helping local businesses in all of their marketing efforts. So basically, anything marketing related that you may need, whether it be you need a blog done, you just need written copy, you need business cards, you need a website, anything like that, JD Scribes can help you out. So today I just wanted to hop on really quick and talk to you guys about blogging. Blogging is one of those parts of marketing that a lot of people for a long time thought was going to kind of age out, especially, when podcasts came out and you could kind of do more things like video blogs and things like that. But contrary to popular belief, blogging is something that's still really helpful for your business. For starters, it helps in your overall marketing strategy because it gives you more content to work with as a whole. And you can never have enough content, especially with the way that things are going and people are constantly taking in content. So just to have another way to promote your business is always helpful. It also helps with your SEO. If you don't know what SEO is search engine optimization, and that's basically how you rank on Google. So if you're looking for different ways to kind of push your posts up, push your website up, and kind of build your brand, then blogging is another way that you can do that. The third reason that blogging is still really good is because it shows activity. I don't know if you've ever been on a website and you've been kind of looking around and you see things haven't really changed. Nothing new has been posted in a few months or even a few years. If you have a blog, that's another way to show activity and show that you're still a functioning business and that you're still an active business. So today I'm just going to kind of give you 5 tips on things that you can do to kind of ramp up your blog, especially if you already have one, or things you can look forward to if you're getting started, and just to kind of help you out this year. So the first tip that I have is to respond to your comments. A lot of people, they don't have an issue with blogging. They already understand the concept of blogging and how it works, but for whatever reason, it seems like they forget that they still have readers, and those readers are going to want to talk to them. So make sure that you're responding to your comments, because not only does it show that the person behind the blog is a human, but it's also polite. You don't want to go and talk to somebody and they just don't want to talk back to you. That's kind of rude. So you want to make sure that you respond. And again, that goes back to showing that your blog is active, your website is active, your business is active. The second tip I have is to use CTAs, and CTAs are calls to actions. And a call to action is basically something that you put like on your website or on your blog that's encouraging your customer to perform an action or to do something on your website. So that could be anything like you want them to go look at another one of your blog posts. You want them to go look at your Facebook page. You want them to sign up for your email list, or if you have like a freebie or anything that they can download, it's encouraging them to download it. That's what a CTA is. So CTAs, again, that builds your brand. That makes people want to go and look at all of the other things that you have to offer. So like I said, again, if you have a freebie, you've written this blog, they really like what you have to say, they feel like they can trust you, they'll be, more likely to go and look at that, and that'll build your brand. It'll increase your interaction with your customers, which can also mean that they might be more likely to work with you. So say if it's like a marketer like me, and I may have a freebie like this on